top when I make sure I never drop.
What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video today, we're going to be reacting to the craziest clips of tornadoes. Now, we all know what a tornado is. It's this. This right here. But anyways, let's not waste any time. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright, so here we go.
Chances are, unless you live in a few pretty specific parts of the world, you've never seen a tornado in real life before. Luckily for you,
Fun fact, I just saw one the other day, and I'm pretty sure it was rain wrapped. But you can still see it because it's like a lot of rain just spinning. I don't know.
Thanks to the internet, you can experience the craziness that is a tornado from the comfort of your own home. From a massive twister tearing through a city, to a POV shot of what it's like to be hit by a Category 4 storm.
So, a hurricane?
Here are 5 tornado videos you wouldn't believe if not filmed.
Okay.
The United States gets more tornadoes than any other country, with a
I didn't know that! Bro, come on. Come on, bro. I'm not that stupid.
around 1,200 a year. That's 4 times more than the entire continent of Europe and 10 times more than Canada, which is the country that's in second place. When it comes to tornadoes, America is indisputably number 1. Back in 2014, a group of storm chasers set out to film a string of massive tornadoes that hit northeast Nebraska. The majority of the buildings in the small town of Pilger were totally destroyed. After the tornadoes were finished, virtually the entire town had been blown away. The town, which has only 378 residents, has a very fitting motto. It's the little town too tough to die. I guess that's just the kind of town motto you need if you're gonna live in an area that
Okay.
Do you hear it?
Now, I ain't gonna lie, that water tower just right there, just over here. I'm still standing.
Get past these mountains. Get past these mountains. Past the hill mountains.
Oh, okay, there's just random metal flying in the air.
That's not good. No.
Nah, really? Of course it's not good.
It's not good.
So, how am I not supposed to believe this is real? Because it very much looks real, but it looks like
Nebraska is part of an area known as Tornado Alley. Tornado Alley is not an area with exact borders or anything, but is a general area in the United States where tornadoes happen way more often than they do anywhere else. Parts of Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Kansas, South Dakota, Iowa, and Nebraska make up.
Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all something real quick. What do you mean parts of Oklahoma? Literally everywhere in Oklahoma has been hit. Oklahoma City, El Reno, the last EF5, more, 1999 and 2013. Like, what you talking about parts, bro? Come on, bro.
Tornado Alley. Why does America have so many tornadoes? America has unique geography that makes tornadoes common. There's a mixture of warm, moist air from down south. Most tornadoes. At least, not in terms of tornadoes per square mile, that is. The Netherlands has more tornadoes than any other country relative to its land area. It gets at least 20 or so every year, which ends up out his window and noticed the clouds spinning. He immediately took out his phone and began filming.
Invisible vortex.
Kijk, hij raakt de grond bijna. Hij raakt bijna de grond. Kijk, daar gaat hij. Jezus, kijk dan.
Sorry, but I don't speak whatever language that just was.
Daar is een tornado toe. Moet je zien. What the Ja, een tornado.
You can see the tornado slowly take shape and then touch
That's gonna be a lot of blurring there.
down in the water, throwing some debris up into the air. The tornado wasn't particularly large or powerful, but the man filming was still shocked to see even a small tornado in the heart of the Netherlands' largest city. Around this same time, a tornado also touched down in nearby Pétange, Luxembourg, and did over €1 million. It's likely tornado shelters and other structures intended to keep people safe. But not everyone wants to be safe. Whenever there is a tornado, it's likely that somewhere nearby there is somebody following it, trying to capture the moment on film. These people are called storm chasers. It's thanks to them that we have moments like these to witness for ourselves. On May 24, 2016, residents in Dodge City, Kansas were on high alert for the possibility of a severe storm. Knowing what this might mean, a group of storm chasers set out with the hopes of capturing something unbelievable on film, and they got just that. The group soon found themselves face to face with a powerful and violent EF3 tornado.
Stretch.
Like, what is going through your head when you see that, bro? What is going through your head when you see that? Like, are you just staring at the twister, like, come on, bro. Don't keep, like, bro, you're gonna die.
Paper towel. Oh, no, I'm good.
Paper towel, no, I'm good.
Chances are, unless
Whoops.
That is violent, you guys. Look how violent.
men in the car try their best to inch closer.
Number 2.
The city of Batna in Algeria isn't known for extreme weather, let alone tornadoes. Even though it's near the Sahara Desert, it doesn't even get that hot. Average temperatures in the summer only get into the upper 80s Fahrenheit, something that residents of a place like Arizona would scoff at. In this video, shot in April of 2018, we see a powerful tornado form and travel through the desert city. Given how uncommon of an occurrence this was, it's no surprise residents were caught off guard and began filming. The video starts off with the tornado far off in the distance. With each pass
Am I tripping or is I want 1080p? What? I mean, it says 1080p auto, but why?
passing second, the tornado grows larger and larger until eventually it plows through the city.
And to be honest, it literally just looks like the last one, just more dusty. Let's be for real. I'm an idiot. I'm insane. a-hole, bro. You have yelled the same thing 700,000 times. Chill, please. Help this dude.
They too made it out uninjured. The worst part of this storm actually wasn't the tornado, but what came later. The tornado was caused by severe weather conditions that brought in heavy rain, hail, and flooding. The area got 2 inches of rain, something which is pretty rare for the normally dry region. 2 inches of rain doesn't seem like much, and it isn't for many places, but it can cause serious damage in areas where the ground isn't ready to absorb it, leading to devastating floods.
Okay.
An EF4 tornado is one that has wind speeds that exceed 165 miles per hour. At this level, there is going to be serious damage, and even well-constructed buildings are likely to get torn to shreds. Back in May of 2019, a powerful
Are likely. You know what? Let's do a little summer quick. Y'all didn't see that. Alright, so, kind of cut off. So, here we are. So what happened was I still have my last footage, it's just cut off. So here's when the tornado began to form and blah blah blah. Let's get into it. I'm telling you right now, not the best idea to record with audio because all you're gonna hear is RIP headphone users. And yeah, he still had footage. Is that the vortex? Or am I just tripping? What is that? What is, y'all see that? What, is that the vortex or am I just tripping, bro? Oh no, I'm just tripping.
Towards the end of the video, it's too dark to see much. The whole area has been cast under a shadow, and the wind is too intense. The tornado inches closer until eventually the fence post that the camera is on is actually pulled up out of the ground. The camera flies through the air for a few seconds before turning off. Surprisingly, the person who left the camera there was able to find it afterwards and then post this video. This recording is basically what it looks like to be hit head-on in an EF4 tornado. Do you think you could withstand those conditions? Of all the extreme...
Let's be for real, alright? Do I think I could withstand those conditions? Yeah. Only thing is I don't know if I die. See y'all in the next video. Like always.
I see the top when I make sure I never drop. Keep me straight up.